my topic of discussion is a differentiation, that is a derivative. Here we will find the derivatives of some real functions by using the definition. Let fx be a real function, real valued function. Here h is a small increment of x. Then x becomes x plus h and fx becomes fx plus h. Then the difference is fx plus h minus fx, and the rate of difference is fx plus h minus fx by h. Now limit h tends to 0 if x plus h minus fx by h. This is the differentiation of fx. This is the differentiation of fx with respect to x. This is called the definition of a derivative. We symbolize it as f dash x. We symbolize it as f dash x and or d dx f x, where this dx is a operator. This is the operator. This dx is the operator. Now I will give this. Let us find the derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x from definition. So fx equal to cos x. If x plus h equal to cos x plus h, then by the definition of a derivative, if dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 cos x plus h minus cos x by h. After that, limit h tends to 0 to sin x plus h plus x by 2 sin x minus h by 2 by h. Here cos x plus h minus cos x. If we take x plus h as c and x as d, then we can here use the formula of cos c minus cos d. The formula of cos c minus cos d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. This is the formula of cos c minus cos d. Therefore 2 sin, here c is x plus h and d is x, therefore x plus h plus n by 2, and sin here d minus c by 2. D means x minus x by, on opening the bracket, x minus h by 2. Therefore 2 sin x plus h plus x by 2 sin x minus h by 2 by h. Therefore limit h tends to 0 to sin 2x plus 2x here and plus here comes h by 2 sin, here plus x minus x, therefore plus x minus x gets cancelled, minus h by 2 by h. Now we can write it in this way. We can write it in this way: limit h tends to 0 sin 2x plus h by 2 limit h tends to 0 sin minus h by 2 by h by 2. These two comes over here. For this reason, by h by 2. Now here if we put x equal to 0, when we will put here x equal to 0, then we will not use the limit sign as x equal to 0. Then sin 2x by 2 into minus limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h by 2. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, therefore by formula we get here 1 minus sin x into 1. The ultimate answer is minus sin x. So fx equal to cos x, if x plus h equal to cos x plus h, here h is a small increment of x. Then by the definition of derivative, f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 cos x plus h minus cos x by h equal to limit h tends to 0 to sin x plus x h plus x by 2 sin x minus h by 2. Here we are using the formula of cos c minus cos d, which is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. Therefore here plus x and minus x gets cancelled. Limit h tends to 0 2 sin 2x plus h by 2 sin minus h by 2 by h. Therefore limit h tends to 0 sin 2x by 2x plus h by 2, limit h tends to 0 sin minus h by 2 by h by 2 equal to sin 2x by 2 into minus limit h tends to 0 sin h2 by h2. Here we are putting h equal to 0. As we are putting h equal to 0, therefore limit this limit sign, we will not write this limit sign. We will just write a sin 2x by 2 into minus limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h by 2. Therefore by using the formula we will get here 1 equal to minus sin x into 1 equal to minus sin x is the ultimate answer. Now I will give another example. Next example, we will find the derivative of x square by definition. We will find the derivative x square by definition. So fx equal to x square if x plus h equal to x plus h whole square. Now by the definition of derivative we will write it as f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 x plus h whole square minus x square by h. Therefore limit h tends to 0. Here x plus h whole square means we will use the formula a plus b whole square. Here a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore x square plus 2xh plus h square minus x square by h. Now limit h tends to 0. Here plus x square and minus x square gets cancelled. Therefore here remains 2xh plus h square. We can take common h from here. On taking common h, in the bracket it will be 2x plus h by h. Here h, here is, therefore h and h will cancel. Now if we put here h equal to 0, then this limit sign will not write this limit sign. Will not write this limit sign, and it will be 2x plus 0. 2x plus 0 means 2x is our answer. So we are doing here, we will find the derivative of x square by using definition. How to do? Fx equal to x square, then fx plus h equal to x plus h whole square. Here also h is a small increment of x. Then by the definition of derivative, f dash x equal to limit limit h tends to 0 x plus h whole square minus x square by h equal to limit h tends to 0. Here we are using the formula of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore x square plus 2xh plus h square minus x square by h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. Here plus x square and minus x square gets cancelled and remains 2xh plus h square. We can take h common from here. On taking h common, in the bracket it will be 2x plus h. Taking h common, bracket it will be 2x plus h by h. Therefore h gets cancelled. Now we are taking here h equal to 0. As we are taking here h equal to 0, we will not write this limit sign. Therefore taking h equal to 0, it will be 2x plus 0 equal to 2x is our answer. Now third example I will show you. Now you find the derivative of log x by using the definition. Derivative of log x by using the definition. How to do? Fx equal to log x. Now if x plus h equal to log x plus h, h is a small increment of x. By the definition of derivative, we will write it as f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 log x plus h minus log x by h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now there is a formula of logarithm that log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. If we use this formula here, then here if we are taking x plus h as a and x as b, then on using this formula here it will be log x plus h by x by h. Now limit h tends to 0. Now log x plus h by x, we can write it as log x by x plus h by x. We can also write it as in this way, by h. Now limit h tends to 0. Now here x cancelled, therefore log 1 plus age by x by, here we will divide age by x and then multiply by x. Age by x into x, we can write it in this way. Now here 1 by x, we are taking outside the limit sign. On taking the 1 by x outside the limit sign, 1 by x limit age tends to 0, log 1 plus age by x by h by x. Now by using the formula of the limit, we will get here the value as 1. Now putting the value 1 by x into 1, we will get the answer as 1 by x. So these are the few examples that I have seen today, shown you today, and let's wait for my next episode. Thank you.